Mouawad Jewelry is a company that has been around since 1890, so we are about to enter 135 years of history. It's a family-owned, family-run business that spans over 5 generations. Our motto is crafting the extraordinary, so we really focus a lot on the quality of our products. We provide innovative designs, and we also provide creative marketing. My grandfather in 1950, 74 years ago, Fayez decided to make a trip to Saudi Arabia to give himself the opportunity to explore a new country, and was very successful in his endeavor. He became the only foreigner by royal decree to be able to operate a business, became the jeweler to the king and queen of Saudi Arabia, and this is how our journey as Mouawad started, with catering to royalties from all over the world.